Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about something that many of us might have experienced before: dealing with unwanted messages on Messenger. Whether it's an ex that won't stop messaging you or a persistent telemarketer, it can be frustrating to receive messages from someone you don't want to talk to. Luckily, Messenger has a block feature that can help you deal with these situations. In this video, we'll show you how to block a chat in Messenger. Step 1. Open Messenger and go to the chat you want to block. The first step is to open Messenger and go to the chat that you want to block. This could be a one-on-one chat or a group chat. Step 2. Tap on the person's name. Once you're in the chat, tap on the person's name at the top of the screen. This will bring up a menu with several options. Step 3. Tap on Block in the Privacy and Support section. Next, scroll down until you see the Privacy and Support section. Tap on the Block option. Step 4. Select the type of block you want. Messenger gives you several options when it comes to blocking someone. You can choose to block messages and calls, which will prevent the person from being able to contact you on Messenger. You can also choose to block the person on Facebook in general, which will prevent them from being able to see your profile or contact you in any way. Choose the option that suits you best, and that's it. Blocking a chat in Messenger is a quick and easy process. Remember that blocking someone is a serious action, so make sure you're certain that it's what you want to do before you go ahead with it. We hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content from us. Thanks for watching.